Hello everybody, welcome to Mii Paintings. I'm Veronika Mii and today I prepared a very exciting project for you. I'll be using my new Arteza colors, which are very shiny. I'm very excited about this. I can't wait to see how these look on my canvas. I'll be using 4 colors plus white, titanium white, which is not shiny, just usual white, but all of these are mica colors and they have got beautiful shine inside of them, so it's very exciting to see how these will look on my canvas. I'm using Pearl Golden Hour, also Pearl Royal Purple, then Pearl Magenta, beautiful color, and also Pearl Electric Blue. And lots of you always ask me to show the whole mix, so I decided these are already mixed with my pouring medium, and I'm gonna show you how I mix my blue. So usually I just open my colors, squeeze a little bit in, so there's just enough on the bottom of my cup, like this. And then I mix it with my pouring medium, and I usually make my pouring medium from glue and water. This is called PVA glue, and I use 60% of PVA glue and 40% of water. That creates my pouring medium. So I'm gonna squeeze it in, and Arteza colors are quite thick, so I don't have to use that much colors, and I can use more pouring medium. So I just covered the little blob which was on the bottom of my cup. So this is probably 40% of acrylic colors and 60% of pouring medium. Now I'm gonna mix it all together very well. And don't be surprised, sometimes you can get a gluey consistency, but that's okay. If you add more pouring medium, it will turn out into good consistency. It should be a little bit like slightly whipped cream, like this. This is such a lovely color. See? This is the right consistency. And I'm also gonna add 2 drops of silicone oil in my colors. I already added 2 drops of silicone oil in each color. So I'm gonna mix it a little bit, not too much. And now it's time to pour it in my cup. I'm gonna start with white, a little bit of white on the bottom of my cup, and then I'll use gold, beautiful gold color. These look so shiny, you can't probably see that, but they are beautiful. A little bit of white in between each color. Then I'm gonna pour my pearl purple. Again, a little bit of white. Then my magenta color. And I chose some light colors for this project because I've got some plans for 3D embellishment. That's why I chose light colors. And black canvas to add some contrast. And the last one will be my blue, electric blue color. Like that. And white on the top of all of these colors. Here we go. And time for my flip cup. Just need to move these away to make some room. And here we go. Ooh, I wonder how these colors will mix all together. Ready, steady, go. Ooh, some lovely color combinations. Let's pour all these here. Don't waste anything. And time to move my colors everywhere. Now I'm using my small torch, guess, and it should work to create some beautiful cells. Ooh, they are growing very quickly. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna let this dry and show you what to do with it. So see you soon. Bye. Hello, so welcome back. My pour is dry. After a week, I always rather wait longer than shorter because you need to make sure your pour is completely dry before you start doing this step. I'm gonna turn it into some 3D art with masking tape and spray. So the first step is to put this masking tape on my pour. I'm gonna start from the middle. Now it's time to use my acrylic spray. I'm using white color and I just shake it and spray it all over my canvas. Now I have to wait at least 24 hours before it gets dry and then I can take off my masking tape. Should be quite easy. They peeled off a little bit. Now I'm going to paint my 3D effect, and for that I'll use this masking tape which will help me with shading. So time for shading. I'll be using my Mars Black for creating my little shades. I've got these kind of brushes, size 18, 14, maybe these. I don't know what will work better, I'll see. And I just tap a little bit of black color and make nice shades here. Oh, that's so cool! I'm gonna make another shades in these like little squares. I'm gonna paint shades around these lines. So let's just put the tape on it. Wow, and this is such a cool effect which you can create with your pore. Oh, that looks amazing. I love how this turned out. Well, I hope this was inspirational for you. You can experiment however you want and create amazing patterns and loads of different shades and shapes, which looks interesting. Really looks interesting. Well, I hope this video was inspirational for you. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, or you can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful art. Thank you very much for watching and for all your support. It means a world to me. See you soon. Bye. And here's the result of